Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on the 28th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.38. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17.2% since we first listed Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate 1 week ago. This translates to an average return of 2.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current broken trend, which stands at $25.82. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a potential rise. According to fan theory, $37.41 will be the next possible peak level, representing a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 30.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 61.74% and negative 30.60%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 27.26%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 93.8% and 22.56% over the next year. In present terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.79 and $31.66. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation's stock price down 1.19% on Monday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.19% on the last day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, dropping from $26.14 to $25.83. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.02%, with a day low at $25.22 and a day high of $26.49. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 36.74% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is typically a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $82.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 54.32%, or $30.72, below the 52-week high, and 67.46%, or $53.55, below the all-time high reached on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Recent developments surrounding Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the ticker DJT, signal significant shifting dynamics in the stock's landscape. Recently, Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren has expressed concern over a potential extraordinary conflict of interest, calling for the Securities and Exchange Commission to disclose its plans regarding investment products linked to the company founded by President Donald Trump. Such scrutiny could generate apprehension among investors, potentially impacting DJT's stock price in the short term due to increased regulatory oversight. Conversely, DJT has been experiencing a notable surge, boosted by bullish sentiment in the market and a partnership with Crypto.com for a range of exchange-traded funds. Just last week, DJT saw gains exceeding 25% over 5 days, illustrating investor enthusiasm. The firm's initiatives to diversify into financial services with its TruthFi brand also hint at a solid long-term growth strategy, likely appealing to investors seeking exposure to both media and innovative financial technologies. However, the company has faced challenges, including accusations of naked short selling and assertions of stock manipulation tied to aggressive hedge fund strategies. These controversies could introduce volatility and market skepticism in the foreseeable future. Yet, if DJT can successfully navigate regulatory hurdles and execute its growth plan, it may enhance its appeal, potentially stabilizing stock performance in the longer term. Balancing these factors will be key as investors evaluate DJT's trajectory amidst ongoing developments. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock generates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $24.67 and $20.65. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is also signaled by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.08%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume also decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 45 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is an inherent risk when a stock is approaching a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, which indicates high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.27 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 5.02%. During the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.1%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.15. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Sweeter executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 110 thousandths of a dollar per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Sweeter executed an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 110 thousandths of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 110 thousandths of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan executed another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 110 thousandths of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan executed yet another insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 110 thousandths of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been assessed as positive with a ratio of 20.997. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.77, reflecting a decline of 4.11%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive trends, and the recent breakout from a declining pattern suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices near this breakout point will signal particularly favorable levels, while the current price also appears to represent a good buying opportunity for the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 0.15 hundredths of a dollar and begin trading at $25.85. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.